Oh,
It looks so pretty when it looked down
God.
his face.
Look at this.
Wait a minute, what the hell? Why is it spinning?
Hey, it's almost perfect.
That looks cool.
Now, what happens if you spin your camera while doing that?
Hold on, wait.
Oh.
Look. I can make it pulse.
Oh, what the hell?
It's pulsing
What
because
the
of the
hell?
boom.
Oh, I'm gaining power.
You guys just staring into this TV I found.
Dude, it's a TV that shows us God.
I got something cool to show you. I got something cool to show you.
What the? Oh, hey, what's this? Oh,
You'll never catch me!
your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. It's collecting some error info. I can't get this off my screen.
I'll destroy this thing.
Get off. I can't see a thing.
I broke it. I freed us.
Oh, it's gone.
I broke the
You're welcome
machine.
for the
There he
map
is.
cleanup.
This thing.
Get me out of here!
Hell was that? That was dumb.
He was an EGT, I think.
He falsified a crash. Get him. That's illegal in our town.
Hang on, I'll use my Russian dupes to stop him. Oh my god, it actually worked.
Oh, damn.
Hold on, let me try it again.
Da 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 da!
Oh shit. You think you can run from us, boy? You think
We
you
caught
can hide? Oh wait.
Wait!
What?
Get him, V-Bucks! V-Bucks, get him!
What? Hey, give me. Never mind. Okay, you're gone.
I almost got him.
Ow!
Ooh.
What the sweet fresh hell is that?
Ow!
Stop getting in the damn way! Like, I'm not actually even meaning to shoot you.
What's this do?
I carry a cannon as my melee weapon.
Oh god. He's driving something. Never mind the other guy.
Give me back my car!
I broke his back with a cannon.
Oh
I told you I was swinging it as a melee weapon.
I stole his car.
I broke his back with a cannon by throwing it at him.
Give me my car!
Just across reality.
Ah!
Oh god.
Uh-oh, my car's frozen!
My Remington.
I will destroy you,
Mr. Refrigerator's niece.
What is this?
What?
Yeah,
Guys,
you ever
Guys, you look
smoked
so
out
much
of
alike.
one of
What is
these
this?
before? Kicks like a mule.
Yeah, it does.
Come on, stick.
Oh, this
Hold on, my
is
Let's
picture
get
taken.
blasted.
What the hell is this thing?
That's a spicy one.
Fancy.
Oh yeah!
The Breen bus has escaped.
I'm the artifact collector now. I collect
The Breen
the,
artifact.
Yes, I collect the rare artifacts and props.
Breen
across the
artifact.
board. You know, prop hunt. Prop hunt is actually the great prop war of 1915. That's why you don't see very many living props anymore. Yeah, the great prop. Yeah,
The Great
They
Prop
used
War
to
of
roam-
1899.
1815. Get it right.
I hate this
1850.
stupid green light. I keep thinking-
around anymore who witnessed the great event.
I hate this stupid green light because I keep thinking it sticks fizz.
I can finally reveal my true form. My
What green
true
light?
form.
The one for the L.
The more
I tried to find
up.
Pixel. I
It's
couldn't.
time to go find this melon or whatever the hell is causing the corruption of the universe.
It's made of news.
It's more sacrifices.
Oh,
Yes.
God.
Hold on. Oh, he's
Yes.
missing his bones. Hold on. I'll fix you.
Somebody took my
The flesh
spine.
wall has come to spoke to me.
Don't worry.
He's told
I
me
need
that
a
I
really
need
good
more.
source of transportation that I can, you know.
He's told me I need more.
Come on.
I love the nail. That's just
Come on
perfectly up your
now.
rectum.
Right up in my anus. Oh, God.
Come on, let's go find it.
It's carving itself more places.
It's over there!
Rectangle. Oh, God!
Go, weird man! Catch him!
It's not fixing me.
Got to find that Breen.
Fix me up right.
Where is he?
Fix me up
There's a Breen
right.
around here somewhere.
It's not fixing me up right.
Tetherball! Tetherball!
Who's the red guy in the car?
That's the Breen! He's turning into a devil! He's trying to turn into Satan! We've got to stop him!
This guy is still our red. He's gonna steal our boat.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
What the fuck? That's that VIP parking.
It's got the auto lock feature.
The auto? What the fuck?
I wanna hear if the boat just goes
The boat
down.
just sank like the
No.
Titanic.
He's taking me.
No sacrifices! Oh, seriously?
He requires 3 more.
I don't know why.
You were confused.
Alright, hold still. I'm going to give you hyper-intelligence so that you can help us figure out how to be able to defeat this. Intelligence, but then you have to deal with the ravaging depression of the He's gaining power!
Burn, baby, burn!
Sit right there, look at you. Oh, he's flying away like a weak old sausage.
It's taking me to the location of the beast.
Oh, I was about to do this. Oh, wait. I've got to get on. It's giving him a hyper-intelligence to take down the beast. Let's go!
What the hell is on you?
Hey, how are you?
What? The fucking paint?
Let's go find it.
It's right there.
You should look at your boat, fools!
I couldn't load the script that
The
fixes
Roman
it.
Empire is torturing. Oh, Jesus.
I gotta wait for 30 seconds for the bridge to...
The Civil War. Please get this thing off of me.
I'm sorry.
I don't know anymore.
The
I
hyper.
don't know.
Okay.
I don't want to know.
Come on, let's go!
Check this out.
It's the ultimate blade! I just stole Satan's car!
He's about to run over Satan.
Oh, Jesus, he's dead!
Now it's playing friends versus friends.
Wait a minute, I know how to defeat him. I learned this technique in the bush.
Let's actually give Pixel a break.
Yo! That's a double win! I got the boat and I burned your boat and I got boss!
This is like film footage.
You should...
Bro.
My god, this is fascinating footage.
Flood pixel boost. I'm kind of interested.
Oh. Ow, 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 fuck, fuck, fuck!
No, Jerry.
Ow! Ow! Close the door! Door, close! Close!
Come on,
These damn
let's
doors
go.
won't
He's
close!
getting mowed down by
Stick,
his own
stick,
I'll,
stick.
I'll
security.
Where
script,
are you?
I'll
Stick, where
script.
are
This
you?
is
Stick,
like,
where are you? Stick, where are you? Stick. Come back to the
okay, fuck
breach.
this damn door. Fuck this damn turret. Fuck this damn
Where are
turret.
you?
The
Stick,
doors won't even shut.
where are you?
Oh yeah,
Stick,
y'all
I
got
Another
got
one
the
to
fire.
the,
All my
damn
bullets
thing.
will
another
save this
one to
time.
this,
Hurry, disguise me as a devil.
What?
another one to
Disguise
the
me as a
sacrifice
devil.
pit. Another one to the
Oh, what the
sacrifice
hell
pit.
is this? Oh,
Another one to the sacrifice pit.
So, a demon bullshit.
Oh, he's
Devil,
being
Devil
absorbed!
at any
He's
time.
being absorbed!
Hurry,
It's working!
put in paint.
It's working! I am finally free!
Hurry! That's a picture of Sam from Seven Max who don't give paint me red.
Oh my god! It's it's working. The life meter. I needed to add more parts so we can stand.
I gotta get away.
No.
Hey, Curtis.
Where's wait? Do we have tasers or no?
No.
I don't think so. I'm just trying to
Pretend
find
like this gun is a taser. Pretend like this gun's a taser. That's a bit much.
a bit of a
That's a
revolver.
bit. That's a bit much for a revolver. But we don't. Stick doesn't
That's a
have good
taser.
add-ons. Stick doesn't have good add-ons.
Hi,
That
I'm
is
Mr.
better
Refrigerator,
resistance.
and I'm here filming on set for the new Sacrifice.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Don't
What's your
mind me,
friend?
I'm just a low-level devil. I'm a
I'm
demon.
Demon, he's
I
Curtis.
kill all the demons you like.
I'm a demon. Oh,
Nah,
places your
I'm
name
Demon.
is a bunch of different characters, so I can't even fucking spell. I have to put E. Go to E.
Go to E.
That's the
I have
only
so many
actual letter I
places
can
I am.
spell in your stupid name.
I've been meaning to add in a tab complete, but that's a lot of work, and I have to make it client side.
Get over here.
We're being chased by a psychopath. He tried to put me into his meat morph ball.
Shit. Do we have any stun weapons or no? We really don't.
I'm gonna
We
get
really
this.
don't.
Oh
Wait,
yeah, hold on, I
actually.
got this.
Get away.
Fascinating. These demons have quite advanced technology. Wouldn't you agree, sir?
Right. I'll use
Oh,
my
wait, you're very
I'll try
precious.
and control
Wait, I could just use you for the sacrifice. Ragdoll.
Oh, okay.
You're
What? What the fuck is this? Okay, Curtis. Okay, let's
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
really failing at this.
There we go.
Oh my
Why
god.
am I? Why do I?
This fucking the magical bottle has launched us all the way back. Oh, nothing. You're this one's strong. In the pile with you. In the pile with me.
Hold
He's
on,
gonna
where
be.
is it?
He's gonna be better. You're gonna be better.
Is that a zombie
Don't
or
mind
just a
me, I'm a
cat with
janitor.
a big pillow nose?
Where is it? The cat. There it is.
Oh yeah, don't worry about it. That's some zombie
Don't,
tits.
don't mind me janiting. I'm a janitor.
Janet. What the
Yeah.
fuck did I just walk into?
What are you doing anyway? What is this?
Get back! Get back!
Ragdoll! Oh
Get back!
shit, he's immune! He's immune!
I should go fishing.
Oh, we can't even grab him.
Mr. Refrigerator Man, I heard you were in.
No! Help me! I'm being held hostage! Hurry, call
Mr.
999!
Oh, this
Mr.
dude
Refrigerator
okay.
Man, I heard you needed money, right?
Yes.
Oh no,
yes.
they're in
Not
cahoots!
many refrigerators to move. Oh,
Please look!
you
Wait,
look.
if
I
you've
need
got
you-
that much money, why do you
Alright,
need
Okay,
me?
I will give you this much money if you guys help me with one little tiny thing.
In
What
that
about this
case,
fella here? What can we do about him then?
Don't you know
I
I'm
need you.
worth millions? I
You're
invent
worth like
things, sometimes
you're worth
spontaneously.
you're worth 1 penny.
Dude, do you not know how much I'm worth?
0.000.1.
That's my Bitcoin. Or at least what I thought was Bitcoin. Anyways,
Anyway,
what I'm really worth. Hold on, this is just pocket money right here.
This is
That's
all
mighty kind of
pocket
you. Thanks
change
for
as
your
well.
Generous donation, sir.
Yeah, and I've got more in my bank account.
which is wanted by the
But just
government.
stick to,
But anyways,
you want to give us a password, then? Or
You
will
can't
it
kill
be
me
your
though.
I can
I
give you
have the
all this
advantage
double
here.
if
If you kill
if you guys
me,
help
you
me with
can't
a
get
ghost
my
hunting job.
password.
Really,
you
it's
got
very
dust
simple.
hunting, nephew. Dust hunting.
I
Rather
used to
than
do
just
ghost hunting back in 1749.
Well, see, there is a problem. An old place we used to play on has gotten haunted recently. I need you guys to go in and just explore it.
I could do that if I wasn't a hostage.
We
Yeah,
don't
I
have a
can send you the
hostage with us.
GPS coordinates right now.
Didn't mean to do that.
Alright.
I gotta
Jeez.
eat, though. Mr.
Oh no, I'm gonna be stuck in the ceiling. No, I can't escape now. No.
Alright.
Better idea we can do is
Alright,
open up the hatch.
alright,
Send
guys,
him into space.
guys, let's get in the party bus. We'll get in the party bus. We're gonna go find some ghosts.
Stick has to go eat.
Yeah, you
Let's
guys
get in the
figure out
party bus.
the refrigerator man was just here for a cameo.
Mr. Refrigerator Man will return in the next episode. Let's go,
I'm a luggage
sequel.
case.